with, breaks, distractions, chatting,
Yeah.
like 2.5 hours. Instructions are easy. But I've also done think a little broader now. We've done brides and grooms for wedding cake toppers. Here's the
That's so
groom.
cute.
One of the more recent ones I've done for the man with the suit, my friend Ghost, and his wife. We don't want to show her dress, so we did a generic white dress with the veil, right? So that he's not having the surprise ruined, right? Flowers in her hand, wedding cake toppers. Like, you have options. Think beyond you. There's maybe siblings. If you really want to tug at the heartstrings, I did one recently. Really, really proud of this. There was a little boy in our community who donated his $20 allowance to our Starlight charity campaign. Okay. And
Oh,
one of our community members wanted me to commission me to design the little boy because his little brother uses Starlight services and he's
so
ill and in and out of
sweet.
hospital, but he's also in a wheelchair. And you guessed it, we designed his wheelchair and he loves Mickey Mouse.
Oh my
And this
God.
actually rolls too, it moves around. So we designed the little boy with Mickey Mouse in his wheelchair sitting down in there. So you've got so many creative things to do in Lego. And that's him. So yeah. There
Right,
were many
Tomech?
onions that day for me.
Oh, I
Many
bet. Oh, I
onions.
bet.
My God.
I can feel the
Uh,
onions. It's spicy.
I know. So yeah, that kind of stuff. This was so much fun to do. My first time doing like a wheelchair, and accessibility I'm very keen on, for folks. So yeah,
I
that
love
kind of
that.
thing. Hmm. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do. I've done me in onesies, me as
I love the
characters.
onesies.
The community wanted me in a bloody lobster onesie, for God's sake. I don't like, hello, like there's a lobster tail here that bends and folds, and anyway, those little claws. Like,
I
the
can't
memes are
with you.
real. Meme life, best life, Like,
Oh my God.
so you got options.
My
You
God,
almost
this
thought
how
you
you
made
made
me
me
for
for a sec. Oh my God, MJ. Not unhinged at all. Yep.
not
Pix
at
is very
all.
serious all the time. Pix is like the
Yeah,
most serious
always.
streamer.
Oh
He
my
never
God.
jokes. He never,
Ever.
ever does anything
The worst.
like, no.
So, at any rate, yeah, if you ever are interested, I've done these as giveaways for people or for fun. Characters from shows and TV, like someone's like, hey, I want to commission Teal'c from Stargate because my brother is obsessed with that show. I'm like, bet, here's Teal'c, here's his spear and his
Oh my
outfit and the
God.
little symbol on his forehead, and like, his military gear and his one shoulder, like, all, we're making you a brickhead of that. So we've done that. Another person's like, hey, I love Captain Picard. I'm like, okay, cool. He has to have a book because he reads, and a mug because Earl Grey tea. I'm like, cool, done. Like, we make chibi versions of that stuff. Like, why not? I really did teal. Yeah.
What has Pix not done?
It was a
Like,
Christmas gift for
seriously.
her brother, and he loves Lego. So she's like, he's obsessed with the show. He loves that character. I'm like, cool. Say less. Uh
Love that.
so you got options. You got options. Mm.
And the creativity you got to have to be able to do things like that. Holy shit.
I love it. Love it, love it. So at any rate, you it's Lego, man. The sky's not the limit. You think you fucking love Stargate SG1 at me, people? Yo, let's go, MJ. Let's
Oh
go.
my God.
Could you create a Rocket League car? I mean, there's vehicles you can do. One of the more recent collabs, actually, I want to plan out. There was a little boy in Starlight in the hospital. One of my community members, she shared a story about her own kid, and she gave me permission to share the story, and she blocked his face out. He used Starlight Services, and she was telling me about her experience with the charity group. They wanted to know his favorite color and all the things to make him comfortable and his favorite this or
Mhm.
that and the whole list of stuff. And he had a short visit, but they helped him with all of that. One of my community members actually wants me to do a brick head that they get gifted to him in a little tiny race car. So like Mario Kart, race kart styles or whatever. So I'm gonna talk to Hero. Hero, I might do another collab with you to plan out a piece for a little boy, just as a fun little side thing, just to work with another creator, because you know me, I love that stuff.
Mhm.
But yeah, so I was thinking like, because Hero's a big vehicle dude, and I love that. So yeah, I'm gonna see if we can do a little cheeky collab ski or something. But yeah, vehicles are always a thing. Like you literally do whatever. Like there's
And guys,
yes, you can.
we've been talking a lot about the Starlight.